Express 50 grams as a fraction of 2 kilograms. A. 1 over 25. B. 1 over 400. C. 1 over 40. D. 1 over 50. E. 2 over 25. Solution. Know that 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. Then 2 kilograms equals 2000 grams. That is, to express 50 grams as a fraction of 2000 grams gives 50 grams divided by 2000 grams. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 50. 50 divided by 50 gives 1. 2000 divided by 50 gives 40. Which is equals 1 over 40. The correct answer is C. To solve this question, convert both fractions to improper fraction. 5 whole number 1 over 3 is equal to 16 over 3. And 3 whole number 5 over 8 is equal to 29 over 8. Then, we subtract 29 over 8 from 16 over 3. Therefore, 16 over 3 minus 29 over 8 equals. The LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8, times 16 gives 128. Minus 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3, times 29 gives 87. All over 24. 128 minus 87 is equal to 41. Over 24. Convert 41 over 24 to proper fraction. Equals 1 whole number 17 over 24. The correct answer is C. Express 3 over 8 of 2 meters in centimeters. A. 750 centimeters. B. 250 centimeters. C. 75 centimeters. D. 50 centimeters. E. 25 centimeters. Solution. Know that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Then, 2 meters equals 200 centimeters. 3 over 8 of 200 centimeters equals 3 over 8 times 200. 200 divided by 8 gives 25. Then, 3 times 25 equals 75 centimeters. Therefore, the correct answer is C.